If you search baking soda for diabetes online, you will see tons of results, but you might not find a clear answer. Many diabetics turn to the internet for advice on managing their condition, but that can be risky. If you are curious about how baking soda affects diabetes, this video is for you. We will answer all your questions. We all know baking soda as a home remedy for whitening teeth and freshening breath. But can drinking baking soda actually help with diabetes? Let's find out. Recent animal studies suggest that baking soda might help prevent an infection called mucormycosis, which can occur in people with diabetic ketoacidosis. Let's delve deeper into these results. Diabetic ketoacidosis is a serious complication of diabetes. It happens when your blood has high level of acids called ketones. This occurs when your body doesn't have enough insulin, which normally helps sugar enter your cells. As a result, your body starts burning fat for fuel. When your body breaks down fat, it releases ketones into your bloodstream. A buildup of ketones leads to diabetic ketoacidosis. Now that you understand ketoacidosis, here is the connection. People with diabetic ketoacidosis have a weakened immune system, which makes them more susceptible to a dangerous fungal infection called mucormycosis. This is where baking soda comes in. Baking soda can raise your blood pH level. That's why it is being explored as a potential treatment in the world of diabetes. But it is important to understand this is not a treatment for diabetes itself, but for diabetic ketoacidosis. A study using mice showed that baking soda might partially help prevent mucormycosis and diabetic ketoacidosis. However, more research on humans is needed before this can be used as a treatment. Okay, here is the bottom line. Please don't use baking soda to treat diabetes or diabetes ketoacidosis until it is officially a proven treatment with sufficient clinical trials. This video has hopefully answered all your questions about baking soda and diabetes. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.